Hey guys, my name is Tim and welcome to the Tim G. Edwards Music YouTube channel. Today's guitar lesson, I want to teach you how to play the hymn, Leaning on the Everlasting Arms. Great hymn. In my description below, there's a link to Ultimate Guitar tabs that you could download the lyrics and chord sheet that I'll be using to teach this lesson. So let's get started. What a fellowship, what a joy divine, leaning on the everlasting arms. What a blessedness, what a peace is mine, leaning on the everlasting arms. Leaning, leaning, safe and secure from all alarm. Leaning, leaning, leaning on the everlasting arms. Okay, very easy song to play. The chords used to play this song are G major, C major, A7, D major, and E minor. So very easy chords to play. We'll just do a quick review on how to play these chords. To play G major, you place finger number 1 on string number 5 of the 2nd fret, finger number 2 up on the top E string of the 3rd fret, and then your 4th finger on the very 1st string of the 3rd fret, and then strum all strings. That is G major. Okay, to play C major, you place finger number 1 on string number 2 of the 1st fret, skip a string, place finger number 2 on the 4th string of the 2nd fret, then stretch your 3rd finger to the 5th string of the 3rd fret, strum all strings but this top E string. That is C major. Okay, then A7, you just keep your middle finger, finger number 2 on that 4th string of the 2nd fret, and then place your finger number 3 on string number 2 of the 2nd fret, and then strum all strings but the very top E string. That is A7. Okay, the next chord is D major. To play D major, you place finger number 1 on string number 3 of the 2nd fret, finger number 2 on the very 1st string of the 2nd fret, and then finger number 3 on the 2nd string of the 3rd fret, strum the bottom 4 strings. That is D major. Okay, the last chord will be E minor. To play E minor, you place finger number 2 on the 5th string of the 2nd fret, finger number 3 on the 4th string of the 2nd fret, and then strum all strings. E minor. Okay, now the strumming pattern for this song is just a simple down, up, and I kind of use a shuffle strumming pattern, so it'll be something like this: down, up, 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 down, up. Instead of just up and down straight rhythm, it'll be like a shuffle. Okay, and we'll start off pretty slow. Okay, let's look at the chord progression of the first verse, and I'll just kind of talk you through it, and we'll play through it pretty slow. Okay, start off with G major, 2, 3, 4, 1, C, G major, A7, G major, C, G major, E minor, D major, back to G again. Okay, let's go through it one more time, and then I'll sing it this time. Okay. What a fellowship, what a joy divine, leaning on the everlasting arms. What a blessedness, what a peace is mine, leaning on the everlasting arms. So now let's look at the chord progression for the chorus. We'll be using the same chords, okay? So it starts off with G major, leaning, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4, G, E minor, A7, B, G major, C major, G, E minor, D major, G. Okay, so let's play it one more time and let's sing it this time. Leaning, leaning, safe and secure from all alarm. Leaning, leaning, leaning on the everlasting arms. Okay, let's look at the second verse. Use same chords, okay? Oh, how sweet to walk in this pilgrim way, leaning on the everlasting arms. Oh, how bright the path grows from day to day, leaning on the everlasting arms. Okay, now let's look at the chorus. Leaning, leaning, safe and secure from all alarm. Leaning, leaning, leaning on the everlasting arms. Okay, very easy song to play, and it's fun to play. It's good to know that we can lean on the arms of Jesus as well. If you like this video lesson, be sure to hit the like button. If you'd like to see more videos like this. If you're not a current subscriber, please subscribe to my channel. It's free. There's no obligation. Just simply bookmarks my channel on your subscription so I can easily be found when new videos are uploaded. Thank you for joining me today. Have a great day. God bless you.